including yourself.
There we go. Yes. Just like magic. Okay. Should have some of it done now. Yes, you should have some of it done. So let me do it for you. B2. B2. Come on. Okay. So we have for A part 1, the 9th term is 31. So you have U9 is 31. And the sum of the first 9 terms is 171. So that means A plus 8D equals 31. And then 9 over 2, 2A plus 8D equals 171. Oh, it's cut a little bit off, the projector needs to be moved. That's 171 at the end. Okay, so we want to find the A and the D. I have A plus 8D equals 31, and here I have 2A plus 8D equals 171 multiply 2 divide 9. 171 multiply 2 divide 9, 38. That's easy to solve. You get A equals 7. So now that you know that A equals 7, you can get the D, 31 minus 7 divided by 8. So you get D is 3. Not bad for 5 marks. Yep. How do I get the 38? Yeah. The 2 comes up and the 9 comes down. So it's 171 multiply 2 and divide 9 is the 38. So I brought the 2 up and the 9 down. Here, I'll draw it in here. The 2 went up and the 9 went down. Is that okay? Like I said, not bad for 5 marks. Then for part 2 is they want the sum of the first 50 terms. So we just use our formula again. F50 is 50 over 2, 2A plus n minus 1 times D equals 4025 is what I got. So there you go, that's 7 marks already. B part 1. A gardener takes 9 minutes to plant a tray of seeds. With practice they can plant each subsequent tray in 0.97 times the time of the previous one. So they're saying first he takes 9 minutes to do the job, and then when he does it again he can do it faster, 8.73 minutes, and then when he does it again even faster minutes, etc. So this is a geometric with A equals 9 and R equal to 0.97. Terrible noise in the morning. Yes, there you go. It is a ghost hunt.
You give him a now he's
Yes, it's one of my past students back on to me.
You have been hard.
Yes. Okay. Here they want the formula for the nth term. So this is un. Un equals a or n minus 1, which is a or n minus 1. There's a little trick here, which I'll do. I can change this into 0.97n over 0.97 equals. You can leave it as a fraction if you want. It's 900 over 27 multiplied 0.97n. In fact, in the marking scheme, I'm pretty sure you'll get full marks even if you stop here. It's just in case I went the little extra steps. Part 2 is calculate the time to complete n trays. So, in other words, what is the total time? So the total time would be to add all these together. So that means they want the sum now. So the formula for the sum is n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1, oh sorry, no, that's AP, GP, is a 1 minus or power n over 1 minus or. So that would be the total time it takes the farmer to plant. So you're adding all of these together now. Right, we can simplify that. 1 minus 0.97 is 0.03, and 9 divided by that is 300. If you took out your calculator and typed this in, you'd get 300. So this now is 300 times 1 minus 0.97n, which you can see is what they wanted. So that's part 2 finished. And then finally, part 3.
Could I stop at the first step, or do you have to...
No, it needs to go here for this one, yeah. And for the last part is, how many trays have been completed after 3 hours? So in other words, they're saying for the last part, if this equals 3 hours, what's the n? Basically is what they want. So that means we have 9, actually, you should use the second one. They're saying that if this equals 3 hours, what's the n? So we have 300, 1 minus 0.97 power n equals 180 minutes. So you get 1 minus 0.97n would equal 0.6 minus 0.97n would equal minus 0.4. Nearly, yeah, after you get rid of the minus here. 0.97n equals 0.4. Now we put a log on both sides. So you get n log 0.97 equals log 0.4. So n equals log 0.4 divided by log 0.97, 30.08, which means n is 30, because n can only be a whole number, 1, 2, 3. By the way, if n was 30.9, what would the answer be? If it was 30.9, the answer would be? Not 30.9. If the answer was 30.9, you should finish with 31. No. Because the question said, how many trays have been completed? if you got 30.9, what you're saying is 30 trays have been completed and he is working on the 31st tray, which is 0.9 completed. So in other words, he's only completed 30 trays and he's in progress to complete 31. So in other words, my point with this question is it always rounds down. It never rounds up.
So it should be 30.
Should be 30. And people have lost 1 mark in the past for this mistake. Okay? So the answer is 30 trays have been completed, and the key word there is completed.